De Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We are here to bring you a special report about one of the biggest problems facing our country. I am introducing Ms. Syla Athena, who will provide an explanation about what is water pollution, where it comes from, how it affects our people and environment, and how can prevent it from happening again.
Thank you, Ms. Karen. Good day, everyone. I am Syla Athena, and I will be presenting our report about water pollution. As you can see, we are here at the boundary of Ligas and Bumahan to show you an example of water pollution. Behind me is a stream that is filled with a lot of garbage like plastic, diapers, and other things. This is causing the water to be dirty and have a foul smell, which is harmful to our health. What exactly is water pollution? Water pollution is a pressing global issue, impacting both the environment and human health. It occurs when harmful substances contaminate water bodies, making them unfit for use and disrupting aquatic ecosystems. This report will explore the origins of water pollution, its detrimental effects on the environment, and potential solutions. These are the origins of water pollution. Water pollution has existed for centuries, often stemming from natural sources, such as volcanic eruptions or decaying organic matter. However, human activities have significantly intensified the problem, particularly in recent decades. Number 1. Industrial waste. Factories and industrial sites often discharge untreated wastewater, containing toxic chemicals, heavy and other pollutants into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Next is agricultural runoff. Fertilizers, pesticides, and animal waste from farms can be washed into waterways by rainfall or irrigation, leading to excessive nutrient levels and harmful algal blooms. Sewage and wastewater. Untreated sewage and wastewater from households and industries can introduce disease causing microorganisms, organic waste, and other contaminants into water sources. Next is oil spills. Accidental oil spills from tankers or offshore during operations can devastate marine life and ecosystems. Lastly is plastic pollution. Discarded plastic waste, particularly microplastics, poses a significant threat to aquatic life and can accumulate in the food chain. And sadly to say that the Philippines is one of the top contributors to ocean plastic pollution, estimated to release 356,371 metric tons annually. This significant amount highlights the urgent need for effective waste management and recycling initiatives in the country. Let's discuss about the environmental impacts of water pollution. Water pollution has profound and far-reaching consequences for the environment. Number 1 is death of aquatic organisms. Pollutants can directly kill fish, shellfish, and other aquatic life, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems. Next is eutrophication. Excessive nutrient levels from agricultural runoff can lead to eutrophication, where algae blooms deplete oxygen in the water, creating dead zones, unsuitable for most aquatic life. Next is habitat destruction. Polluted water can degrade habitats like wetlands, coral reefs, and estuaries, impacting the biodiversity and resilience of these ecosystems. Lastly, the bioaccumulations. Toxic substances like heavy metals and pesticides can accumulate in aquatic organisms, moving up the food chain and ultimately affecting human health through seafood consumption.
Before we get into the solution for water pollution, we'll be back after a short break. Stay tuned!
Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted, dapat dekalidad. Unilab yan. Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, siguraduhin mo na. Unilab yan. Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, siguraduhin mo na. Unilab yan. Unilab yan.
Advantage, improve energy and immunity.
Mag-volunteer preschool, 3 plus pag 3 mataas. Mag-volunteer preschool, 3.
Kaya moms, pag free pataas na sila, bigyan sila ng Bola Kid Preschool 3 Plus for a triple boost advantage in
We're back to continue our discussion about water pollution. How can we stop water pollution from getting worse? Miss Saila Athena will explain that.
Preventing water pollution. Addressing water pollution requires a multifaceted approach involving individuals, industries, and governments. First is wastewater treatment. Investing in efficient wastewater treatment facilities to remove pollutants before releasing water back into the environment is crucial. Next is sustainable agriculture. Adopting sustainable agricultural practices like organic farming, reducing fertilizer and pesticide use, and implementing proper waste management can minimize agricultural runoff. Next is plastic reduction. Reducing plastic consumption, promoting recycling, and implementing proper waste disposal practices can significantly reduce plastic pollution in waterways. Water conservation. Conserving water through efficient appliances, mindful usage, and rainwater harvesting can reduce the overall demand for water, lessening the strain on water resources and reducing potential pollution. Last but not the least, public awareness and education. Raising awareness about the causes and consequences of water pollution is essential to encourage individual actions and promote responsible practices.
Our actions today will affect future generations. Let us be responsible in taking care of our environment. And that is for today's report. Back to you, Miss Karen.
Thank you for your clear and helpful explanation about water pollution. And again, here's our conclusion about our topic. Water pollution is a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. By understanding the sources, impacts, and potential solutions, we can work together to protect this vital resource for future generations. Individual action combined with collective efforts are crucial to ensure the health and sustainability of our water bodies. And that's our report for today. We hope it was helpful to all of you. Be careful and let's take care of our nature.